Hey guys, Bec Fing here for the Young Farmer Business Program. I'm a work health and safety consultant up in Gundawindi, and I've had my business House Paddock Training and Consulting for over 15 years now. I really love what I do, and I've had the opportunity to be on over 400 farms from Emerald to the Adelaide Hills. I've seen stuff done really bloody well and absolutely shockingly. I've read stories and heard stories and read commissioners' reports of where things have gone south. And I don't actually like seeing it. I don't want to see it again. And that's why I'm here to provide some tips, tools and tricks to help you on your way and help you make a start in getting your work health and safety right. All that being said, I didn't bump out of the city. I'm actually a Dirranbandi girl, so I grew up in southwest Queensland, and to this day I'm still involved in my family's freight broking and farming businesses. I have an old school dad that, every time he does something that's semi-dangerous, which is code for bloody dangerous, he says, it hasn't killed me yet. So I know the battles you guys are up against. I know what it's like to work in a multi-generational family business. And that's why I really like providing practical tools and tips and tricks to hopefully get the job done. We're not going to get this stuff right the first time. You probably won't even get it finished. But what's most important is that you make a start. And a start's what this project is meant to be. We're only touching the surface here, but we're going to provide you with some really valuable tools, some templates, some fact sheets, and a series of videos to hopefully get you on your way. So guys, head on over to the Young Farmer Business Program website. Check out the videos, download the templates, and have a read of the fact sheets. This is only a starting point, but let us give you a hand along the way.